There we go. That's clear. Bouncy, bouncy. Is that fun? What are all your toys doing up front there? Yeah, I know. Look at you. What are these? Where'd your arms go? Where's your arms? Don't need arms? What do you think, big guy?